our eastern neighbor continues a pattern of exploitation, leveling baseless allegations and false accusations without credible investigation or verifiable evidence. The recent tragedy in Pahalgam is yet another example of this perpetual blame game, which must come to a grinding halt. And now, continuing with its role as a responsible country, Pakistan is open to participate in any neutral, transparent, and credible investigation. Ladies and gentlemen, I must also mention here that water is a vital national interest of Pakistan, our lifeline, and for our 240 million people, let there be no doubt at all. Its availability would be safeguarded at all cost and under all circumstances, inshallah. Therefore, any attempt to stop, reduce, or divert the flow of water belonging to Pakistan under the Indus Waters Treaty would be responded to with full force and might, and nobody should remain under any kind of false impression and confusion. Our valiant armed forces remain fully capable and prepared to defend the country's sovereignty and its territorial integrity against any misadventure, as clearly demonstrated by its measured yet resolute response to India's reckless incursion in February 2019. Therefore, I would like to make it clear in all humility, but with fullest confidence at my command, on behalf of the people of Pakistan and our armed forces, that nobody should make any mistake about it. Dear guest, this nation of 240 million people stands united by and behind our brave armed forces and ready to safeguard every inch of our homeland, Pakistan. And let this message be loud and clear for all and sundry. Peace is our preference, but must not be construed as our weakness. We will and we shall never compromise on our dignity and security of our beloved Pakistan. We also affirm Pakistan's unwavering commitment to playing a responsible and constructive role on the global stage. In the pursuit of this mission, we have not wavered, as we believe in the unity of the human race. Dear cadets, this morning, as you go forth with dignity, honor, and resolve to join the officers' cadre, please always keep in mind that your primary obligation for the rest of your lives would be to safeguard your motherland, Pakistan. Therefore, prepare yourself exceedingly well and train your men and women to undertake this task with unwavering commitment. I am confident that through the strength of your character and impeccable display of commitment, you will continue to uphold the traditions of your glorious institution. Finally, I would like to submit, खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है। पाकिस्तान आर्मी जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद।